Hi, I'm Deirdre and I am founder of All Skills Education. We've offices in the Guinness Enterprise Centre, and I want to talk to you today about women, money and place in Dublin 8. So what this comes about because of the whole history of women and our place with money in Ireland. So across the 100 years-ish of Ireland's history, women were locked out of official earnings, official money in a lot of cases. And really, it's just since joining the EU that we've been able to lift a lot of the barriers. So let's say 50 odd years ago. And we have, of course, Ireland's EU presidency this year. So the whole concept behind Women, Money and Place is to look at the history of Dublin 8, what women, how women had access to the economy, the sort of places that they would have worked in. So Jacob's factory, the breweries, the railways, shops and stalls in the Liberties. So it's really just to gain access to that historical view and to run a number of workshops where women have the chance to write their own money stories. So write a money story or create a collage or an image about your money history and your views on money. And what this is really about is lifting the stigma around women and money, where we don't talk about money and we've worse outcomes as a result, whether it be pensions and, sort of looking after our own long-term security. So it's to bring the conversations out into the open through the Women, Money and Place exhibition. We'd be very grateful for any funding that's received. It just moves us forward. The workshops will run in the Dublin 8 area, in community centres and with women groups. And we're hoping that it'll be a really nice set of summer events. Thank you very much.